It's Dayton's 9-month birthday, June 6, 2012, and we have our first lightning and thunder and hailstorm. He's not afraid though. Hi! This is the new play yard thing we got for the living room. There's lots of hail happening outside. Hard to see, but hail everywhere. Whoa! Fun. Mommy's done with her P90X. We still having fun? Ah! Come over here. You're gonna crawl underneath your table? Are you stuck? Are you stuck? No, you're gonna get through. Yay! Oh, not through yet. Yay, you made it! We think swim lessons will be canceled tonight.